Hi, welcome to the Progressive Writing System. This is a system designed to teach you how to write coherent essays effectively, quickly, and without any difficulty. As you know, many people have difficulty writing, primarily because of the educational system that doesn't promote writing as a particular literacy skill. The Progressive Writing System focuses strictly on writing, and we're going to show you that process as we go through the video series. So with that, I want to make it very clear to you. Once you complete this system, you will become what's known as an emergent writer, and you will have the ability to write an essay with an introduction, 3 paragraphs, and a conclusion, and correct sentence structure. Okay, I want to repeat that. You will become an emergent writer, and you will have the writing skills and the confidence to write about anything, anywhere, on any topic. With that, let's get started. Welcome to the program. I'll see you in the next video.